What's up, everybody? I've got a quick Photoshop tip here that I find to be pretty beneficial. It's how to open the same file that you see here, our football player, in two separate windows and why that can be beneficial for you. So here you see our player. If you go to Window, Arrange, New Window for Falcons Pregame JPEG. So that's our file name that you'll see here. It matches up here. And you click on that, you can see that now you have the same file opened up in two separate tabs. So if you want to put those side by side, go back up to Window, Arrange, and then I like to use two up vertical. It gives me a good side by side view. So here we have both of our players side by side. Again, it's the same file. I'll click over here, double click on my hand, center up our file here, and I can go Command minus and zoom out on that. So I have a good overall image here. I can see the entire canvas that I'm working with. On this side, I can pan over and get a nice detailed shot. So the benefit of this here is if I go to my layer panel and I add a new layer, again, I'm working in the exact same file, just side by side. You can see I've got some detail stuff over here, and you can see it on this side here. If I, hotkey S, get my clone stamp going. If I want to get rid of this stuff here, I can zoom all the way in, get a nice detailed shot of, get a nice clean sample. And I can come over here, and if you notice on the right, you get a real-time view of your overall image. So you can see what you've got going on the right side, and so you can work in the left side. So I can get rid of anything that's kind of distracting over here and sample another color here, a little bit bright. Let's go with this sample here. There we go. And so now you go over here, you turn it on and off, but you have in real time a nice tight view, and you have your full overall detail view on this side. And let's just say on this side that you want to be a little bit tighter, and you're working over here, you can hold Shift and Spacebar, and you can simultaneously pan or slide back and forth in the image that you're working with. So it's a pretty strong tool. If you're working on some detail, trying to get in there and make it perfect, but you really want a good view, you don't have to keep zooming in and out like you would if you just had it open, make a clone stamp, zoom in and out here. Another cool thing about this is you can break this tab off and you can slide this whole panel over into your second monitor. So if you have two monitors, you can have your detailed view on your left side or right side, and then you have your full view on the other side. Pretty handy.